start the game, Juni and Jackson, Erwin. Jackson is won by White and Garo.
Pwesto ka lang dyan, pwesto ka lang. Pwesto ka lang dyan.
Erwin with the ball to Edgar. Erwin make it up. 2 points by Santos. Joel Manuel bringing the ball down and passing it to Arnie Bautista. Arnie Bautista being harassed by Mario. Mario to Noel, back shot, 2 points. Score now is 2-all. Jonas Takanay bringing the ball down and passing it to Edgar. Edgar to Edwin Santos, Edwin back to Edgar, Edgar back to Edwin and Jonas. Pass break, man. Foul to the defense and Oy, foul na yun. Foul na wala. Foul na. Oh, Edgar is 1. 2 points by Adol Palo. O, nagpalo ka. So, now, the coach bringing the ball down. Takanay to Edgar 1. And Mario Sincero taking a lead. No good. Fouled by Ruel. Going to 1. Yes. By Sincero. Okay, so now it's 5-4 in favor of White. Arnold Palo shooting the ball from 2 feet away. 2 points. 6-5 in favor of Black. Edgar 1. Bringing the ball. Protected by Arnie. Okay. Foul by number 5. Erwin Santos. Ilang foul? First foul by White, second team foul. Bautista, 3. Follow up. Pass break attempt to Edgar. Edgar to Sincero. Sincero back to Dos. Edgar was making the ball. And passing it to Mario Sincero, back to Edgar, Edgar back to Mario. Intercepted by Arnold Palo. And laying up for 2. Arnold Palo for 2. An interception of the layup. 8-5 in favor of Black. 1 minute to go. Takanay shot, no good. Obanyana bringing the ball to Arnie Bautista. Arnie Bautista attempting to Noel Manuel and passing to Obanyana. Obanyana laying up for 2. 10-5 is the score. 38. Oh, stop that. Then, palit. Okay, man. At 3-point natin by Sincero, no good. Noel Manuel, and passing it to Leonard Fernando, layup no good. good. And Edgar Juan now on the ball. 3 on 1. San Jose, 3 points. No good. 3 seconds to go. Oh. End of the first 5 minutes of the first quarter. Hinawakan ng anin. Black ball, bringing the ball down. Celso, giving the ball. Talking with Scout Bondo. Passing it back to Celso. The birthday boy last night. Foul si Bondo. Foul number 18. On 13 foul ang White. Celso passing the ball to 85. Celso dribbling the ball to Violet. Alvin Santos, inbound to Scout Bondo. Scout Bondo, dribbling the ball. And to Bong Soledad. Bong Soledad to Mario. Mario to Scout. Scout to Ed. Bong. Okay. Birthday boy! 2 points! Greg Hanakma, foul. Foul number 8. 65, Gerald Lang. First foul by Ganandang. First team foul by Pak. Nakman's first free throw is good. Nasa 1 point sa first free throw. Second attempt on the free throw is still good. 7-12 still in favor of Black. Follow up. Solano, 2 points by number 45. Celso to birthday boy. Another shot by birthday boy. It's still his birthday today. 2 points by Paco. Mario Peco. Marciano Peco. Celso again and
Dun sa Buenas.
Marciano Peco back
Last.
to Lang. Sinong foul? Sino foul? Mario Cenicero foul. 5-0. Oh, warning for penalty, White. First personal foul by Mario. Karandang's first free throw attempt is way out of line.
Sige.
Second free throw attempt is still no good, short, too short. Didn't hit the rim. Scout Bondo breaking the ball down the court and deciding to pass it to Bong Soledad. Bong Soledad attempt, no good. Was fouled by 4-5, Solano. First personal foul by Solano. 2 team fouls by Black. Scout Bondo's attempt to pass it inside was intercepted. And Celso bringing the ball down, back to his brother. Brother's shot is no good. 30 seconds to go. Mario, second. O, penalty. White, penalty na. 18 seconds. Ilang seconds pa? 10 seconds. Ref, ubus na oras. Mario Pecco Marciano is still his birthday. First quarter pa na ba? O, tapos na. End of first football. That's at sino. That's touch and love. That's touch and love. Tumulani. Masala. Kay Greg Alakma. Ibinigay sa loob. Foul daw siya ni Arnold Palo. Mababas ni Arnold. Sila foul. 91. 25. Oh, Castres. Ilang foul lang. Okay. First team foul by Black. First attempt by Bong Soledad is no good. Second attempt now. His free throw is still no good. Obanyana with the rebound to Castres. Obanyana to Arnie Bautista. Being harassed by Edgar Juan, intercepted. And laid up, no good. Another follow-up by Edgar Juan, 2 points. Wait, 14-18, atak na. 4-point lead. A mild rally by, another 2 points now by Obanyana, so 20. To scout.
Pagbigyan mo na.
Galit na. Nabili ng error by White.
Galit.
Foul by number 37. Na-foul si Bong Soledad. Number 37. Two team fouls ang Black. Today is first personal foul. Bong Soledad with the ball to Edgar Juan. Back to Bong. Bong to Ricky. Jump shot. Another foul by second personal foul by Manuel. Third team foul by Black. 45 seconds to go. Bong Soledad's first free throw is good. 15-20, 36 seconds. Second free throw is no good. Obanyana with the rebound, winning the ball. Back Palo. Arnold to Manuel back to Palo. Okay, reaching foul by Bong Erwin. Foul si Erwin Santos, number 5. Ilan? 3 points by Arnie Bautista. So, okay, fine. Okay. Score is 20. Hindi pa nagpapalit ng change score. Okay. Nakasona ang White. Binigay kay Solano. Binigay kay Karandang to Castres to another Castres. Puro tres. Yung Castres, pinasakit kay Castres, nag-tres. Tres. Napakaraming tres. Bola ng black. The inbound is ato basketball or diving. Bondok dos. Follow up ni Bondok ano? Okay, Gastres bringing the ball down, passing it through. Okay, that's an error, shooting error. Inbound by White to Cenicero. Tres is offline. Kaninong bola rin?
Blackball.
Okay, black. Last touch ang White. Gastres to Marciano Peco, and Peco i-shot the ball, banda, hindi pumasok, rebound ni Solano, dos, Solano. 25 na ang black, 17 ang white. Ilang Peco. 3 minutes, 6 seconds. Attempt is out. Maraming
Lamok. Lamok. Maraming lamok.
oh. Hindi ko si Marciano Peco. Nagkantay sa tres. Okay. Yan ang Bondo. Nawakan ang Bondo. Anak pass, attempt is Bondo. Soledad attempt is no good. Foul ng number 2. Foul ba? Foul ng 2-7 ha. Si Edgar Juan. Second team foul ng White. Second personal foul ni Edgar Juan. Castres to Solano. Solano dribbling the ball to Karandang. Foul ni Soledad. Soledad. Ilang pangkas ito? First personal foul by Soledad. Third team foul by White. First attempt by Karanda, no good. 1 minute 27 seconds to go. Second, still no good. Count Edgar 1, 2 points from the top of the team. 19 and White. 25 ang black. 59 seconds, 58, 57. Hawak ni Marciano Peco. Tumakbo. Nahanap place. Celso to Marciano. Peco is no good. Rebound ng another Castres. Attempt no good. 20 seconds to go. 2-0. 19 seconds. Okay. 12 seconds to go. Naibigay ng maganda kay Charles. Offensive foul ni Bong Soledad. Offensive foul. Right, inbound si Mario kay Lacanay. Lacanay, dribble. Hindi, right. Orilain, ipinasa kay Lacanay, nag-dos. Hindi pumasok. Rebound ni Bautista. binalik kay Bautista, tinawid ng half-court, binalik kay Castro, Tumalo, to Bautista, is goal! Number 10, Castres, 2 points! 27-19. Intercepted by Erwin Santos to Mario Ceneseros Press. No good. Anakta on the rebound plus a follow-up shot is 2 points. 21-27.
Leg.
Point.
3.
Stress by Arnie Bautista.
Money.
30-21. 3 minutes, 29 seconds to go. Binalik kay Orenday ng bola. Napunta kay Cenicero to Santos. Santos, one-hand layup, good! Pass break to them to Noel Manuel. Holding the ball to Obanyana. Intercepted, nakuha ni Dakanay. Ay, Dakanay is Celso. No good. Anak pa, Diyos na naman. 25-30. Another rally being Bautista on the Riba on to Manuel Obanyana no good. Bautista. Nice save by Orendani to Erwin Santos to shoot the ball and last touch si 37 Manuel Blanc. Ang bola ay nasa white na ngayon. 2 minutes, 6 seconds to go. Na-intercept ang inbound ni Celso. Si Mario. Na-intercept ni Arnie Bautista. Magandang screen kay Arnie. Sinunod ng 3, pasok. 33-25. Back to 8-point lead ang Black. Nagpabaya sa depensa at White. Binigay kay Greg Anakpa. Dos sa ilalim. 27-33. Before. Oh no! A traveling violation by the Elder Castres, number 10.
Bula.
First 5 minutes. Okidoki, pasok ang tira ni Erwin Santos. 50 seconds to go. Pass break ni Bautista. Last touch si Greg Anakta naman. 36 seconds to go. Castres Elder ni Castres. Follow up by Obanyana ng blue. Manuel's shot is still no good. Rebound by Dakanay. 21 seconds to go. Erwin Santos bringing the ball down and laying it up. No good, no foul. Orendain shot, no good. Anakta to Celso. Mario, no good. Binigay kay Celso, Castres. Binabantayan ng gusto ni Scout, hindi nabantayan ng gusto. Binalik kay Jordan, binalik kay Celso, binalik kay Peko. Naagaw ni Scout Mondo. lingon sa kanan, lingon sa kaliwa, pero sinunod sa harap. Naipasa kay Edgar 1, pasok, 2. Two points na lang, lamang ng black, 33, 31. Oh, traveling violation by black. Okay, binababa ng scout, bondok ang bola, binigay kay Greg Anacta, and Greg Anacta, 2-point shot. 3-3 up. 33 all. Press. Bola sa Tasres. Binigay kay Solano. Solano's dos is good. Jasper sa free throw area. Binigay kay Edgar 1, binalik kay Erwin, nag-cross, hindi pumasok. Nalimaw ni Senso, nakagaw o foul. Tumawag ng foul, sino foul?
Erwin.
Number 5, Erwin Santos. Second, team foul.
Parang bilyar, nagkarambola. Nagkarambola ang bola.
First team foul ng White. Foul ang coach na number 22 na si Leonard Fernando. First personal foul ni Leonard and second team foul ng Black. Sinunod sa tres, hindi pumasok si Soledad, nag-follow up, hindi pumasok. Pumasok ang tira ni Bob Soledad with a foul by, who's foul red? Castres foul, good 2-5. Third team foul ng Black. First personal foul. And one is no good. Nahawak ni Leonard. Naagaw. Scout Bondo. Nag-attempt na mag-intercept pero may foul. Regalo na kay Marciano. Tribon. Binalik kay Fernando. Oh, back pass. Behind the back. Dos. Soledad. Pasok! Sudano! 37-35 ang galing naman! Sino Castres? 33 foul Castres. 14 fouls ang Black, 1 team for penalty ang Black. And one is no good. 1 minute to go. Nagaw ni number 25 ang foul. And one. Pasok. Penalty ng Black pero and one naman. So 39. Lamang na ang White, 39-37. 25 seconds. Pasok. So 40, 37. Tatlo na ang lamang ng White. 16, 12 seconds na lang. And nakakuha ni Fernando. Pasok! Ang sila. Ano yun? Resto. So 39-40 lamang ang White. Ang swerte naman ng Santos number 5. Bertie mo rin ba, Erwin? 45. Hawak na ni Bondo. Ang lang. Binalik kay Santos na swerte. Binalik kay Soledad. Soledad. Nag-dribble. Ibinagay kay Sinesero na agaw. Manuel. Nakiseryo ang bola ngayon. Binalik kay Sergio. Kaya na si Palo. Sinesero ay nakawala, ang 3 ay hindi pumasok. Sinesero ay team 0 out of 20 attempts. Ayaw, sino ka ba sa 3, ha? Medyo malas ng konti si Mario at nakainom yata na gabi. Mukhang pagod na pagod. Ayan na ang tira ni Noel, umakapandos. So James Favor, 41-40 last. Ang pabor. 8 minutes, 35 seconds to go. Dribble ni Soledad. Soledad, nag-dos lang. Dos lang. James Favor ulit, ang white. Naagaw ni Mario. Tinira ni Soledad. Scout, pasok. 44-41. Tatlo lang naman ang white. Dribble si Sergio. Na-foul si 1-8 Bondok. Foul. Third personal foul ni Bondok. First team foul ng White. 7 minutes, 47 seconds to go. Hawak ni Arnold. Arnold. Cross-court pass to Banyana. Banyana to Bautista. Being harassed by Mario. Rebound by Joel to Banyana. Foul! Soledad! Foul si at si Erwin Santos foul. Ay, minus yung Banyana. Lamang pa rin ang isa ang white. 44-43. Hawak ni Soledad, pumasok ang tira ni Soledad. Sabdawang sa next ball. Ang last. Soledad. Tinira ni Edgar Juan, hindi pumasok, na-rebound ni Arnold Palo, binalik yung Banyana, o Banyana, binalik ni Arnie, at na-rebound ni Pasok, at loss ni Arnie. O 45-46, laman ng 1 point ang wide. Laman pa rin ang white ng 1 point, 45-46, binalik kay Edgar Juan, pinasok na Edgar Juan. 48-45, laman na ng tatlo ang white, 5 minutes, 42 seconds to go. Harassment by Mario to Caspres. Dos ni Arnie Bautista. 47-48. Back to 1 point. Ang sabanang 1 point ang lead. Time out ang black. At magsasab kayo. O, magsasab ang black. Nag-time out ang black. First time out ng black. So, running time tayo. Hanggang 5 minutes, 13 seconds to go. So, white ball pa rin. 13. At ang score is 48-47 in favor of white. Okay, tapos na ang time out. Alas 4 na kasi. White ball. Okay, ready to defend. Depensa. 13 seconds na lang at magiging stop clock na. Huwag daw bibitawan ng number 5. O yung 18 daw ang buwan na. Solidad, nag-dribble and drive in. Foul si Arnold Palo. First pa na. Wala pang in-danger of penalty. Wala pa. Okay, di pa. Stop clock na mga bata. Edgar 1, drive, foul si Solano, end 1. Number 45. Second team foul of the 2 personal fouls si Solano. 50-47 in favor of white. End 1 ni Edgar 1. Edgar 1, pasok ang end 1. Kaya apat na ang lamang ng white. 51-47. Time 4 minutes, 46 seconds. Haras ni Scout Bondok si Celso. Ayan na si Arnold. Binalik ni Celso, hindi pumasok. Na-rebound ni Celso, foul si Edgar, 1. Third team foul ng white, third personal foul ni Edgar, 1. Team foul ng Celso. Arnold foul ng Celso, 76, slide in. Pasok ang clearance ni Celso, goal. 49-51. 4 minutes, 17 seconds to go. Nag-dribble si Bob Soledad. Arnold Palo, blocking foul. Ilang? 2 personal foul si Arnold. 13 foul of block. Walang pumasok. Pumasok ang unang tira. Pangalawa hindi. Kaya tumadya ng 2. Pumasok. 51-52. Lamang pa rin ang white. 1-4. 3 minutes, 56 seconds to go. 54 na lang. Ayan. Iikot ang bola sa labas. Binalik sa ilalim. Ang ganda ng pasa, hindi lang nag-itasok. Maagaw ni Mario. Binalik ulit sa ilalim. Pasok ang zero ni Edgar White. Tatlo na ulit ang lamang ng White. 54-51. Dahan-dahan. Delivery, dribbling, and press. Mario pasok. Tatla ang laban. Okay, Sanson Edward. 54 all. 3 minutes, 11 seconds to go. Mario, 0 out of many attempts. Agaw Manibang, ang rebound. Olano is dahan kay Castres. Castres, binasa ni Ubanyana, binasa ni Solano, pasok ang Dosi. Time out, White, time out daw. 56-54 na mga black. First time out. Okay, tapos na. Pareho din one time out each. Nakapag-sub na ang black. Kanino bola? White, ball ng white. Bola ng white. 2 minutes, 44 seconds to go. Na mga black ng 2 points, 56-54. Hinaharas ni Noel Manuel si Scout ay nag-commit ng foul. Warning for penalty. Manuel, third personal foul ni Manuel. 14 foul ng black. Warning for penalty ang black. 14 foul. Ganda ng ikot, ang ganda ng pasa kay Alvin Santos. So, assist, nice assist by Scout Football. Ang score ay tabla, 56 all. 2 minutes, 24 seconds to go. Ay, violation. Backcourt violation. Over and back.
Backward.
2 minutes, 14 seconds to go. Bola ng black. 56 all. Inbound kay Noel Manuel. Ayan na, ang bola laki. Palo. At foul si... Sino foul, eh? Sino foul? Scout. Bong Soledad ang foul. Warning for penalty ang white. Black warning for penalty din. 2 shots ni Arnold Pado. Out of shooting. Ayan na. First attempt. Pasok. 57-56 with 2 minutes, 8 seconds to go. Ayan na ang second attempt ni Arnold Pado. At binitawan. Pumasok pa rin. Dalawa na ang laman ng black. 58-56. Bong Soledad, dribbling the ball. Binigay kay Bong Soledad pa rin. Binigay kay Celso. Ayun na ang attempt. Ngayon lang pumasok ang Dos na ang tawag ng referee sa shoot ni Celso ni Mario. Tabla. 58 all. Oh yeah, penalty na ang white. Kanino foul? Mario ang foul. Third personal foul. Penalty situation ang white. 2 shots at free throw attempts ni Arnie Bautista. Tablang 58 all, pumasok ang hindi pumasok. 58 all, 1 minute 37 seconds to go. Pareho. Pasok ang second free throw ni Arnie. ang isa ang black. 59-58. Ay naagaw ni Arnie ang bola. Binigay kay Sergio. Pasok ang tira ni Sergio. Tatlo na ang laman ng black. 61-58, 1 minute, 17 seconds to go. Naagaw na naman ni Arnold Palo ang bola. Handa, tinatawid, nagtawid sa 8-point line, sa midcourt, binigay kay Arnold. Compose na compose ang black. Foul si Santos. Ano na? Pareho kayo tigisa. Anong ilan na GM? Walang na time out, pero dito, penalty. Oh, sabi si Ananta. Ay, pumasok ang first free throw. 62-58. 55 seconds to go. Tandaan ninyo, White. Meron na lang ngayon 5 segundo upang humabol ng 5 puntos ang mahabol ninyo. 63-58. Pursigido si Scout na makatira si Anakta at pumasok ng magandang atin. Foul si Scout Mondo kay Arnie. Pag-inanan ni Scout Mondo. 4 personal foul si Scout Mondo, penalty and white. Kaya titira ng dalawa si Arnie. Ang white, maasa na hindi mamasok kahit na isang tira, isang foul throw. Pero ang kanilang dasal ay nasunod. Hindi pumasok ang kanilang foul throw. Tatlo pa rin ang laman ng white, ng black. Okay. Crucial free throw. Second free throw is still no good. Rebounded by Edgar. 1 to Scout Mondo 2. Mario Celesteros. 2-point attempt. It's no good. Save. Pero binalik kay Arnie na foul Nino. Taas ang kamay. Wala nang tataas ang kamay. Sino foul? 2-7. 1, Edgar 1. 4 personal fouls. Edgar 1. Balik na naman sa free throw line si Arnie Bautista with 31 seconds to go. 63-60. Lamang ang tatlo ang black. White, 31 seconds na lang kayo para maghabol ng 3 points. Hindi pumasok ang ulang tira na yan ang black. Walang time out. Patigasan ang labanan. Wala pa rin pumasok na rebound ni Senson. Time out ang white. Time out ang white. Second time out na ng white. 28 seconds to go. 63-60. Ang last 4 free throws ni Arnie ay walang pumasok. Hindi pa siya naman sa sarili niya eh. 14 fouls pala. 4 personal fouls. 30 seconds pa time out. Kanina mag-score ha, 63-60 in favor of black. Kanina bola rin. Kanina bola. Bola ng white. Bola ng white, inbound ng white. Magsusubok, tumira ang white sa loob ng 28 seconds para kanilang matabla ang tatlong puntos na lamang. Binigay kay Erwin Pasok. Cross. Isa na lang ang lamang ng black. 63-62. Penalty ang white. Kanina sila foul. Edgar 1, 5 fouls. Edgar 1, 5 fouls. Arnie Bautista back to the free throw line for the third time in the last 1 minute. Pag pumasok ang isa, 64-62, lamang na ulit ng dalawa ang black. Pag pumasok, kaya tatlo at naman 16 seconds. 65-62, tatlo naman ng black. Bong Soledad na agaw. Ang huling pagkakataon na makapagtabla ang white ay ipinamigay ang bola. Natalunan ng Celso ang pasa. Baka naman hindi pumasok yan. Kaya lang pumasok. Kaya 9 seconds to go, apat ang namanita. 66, 62. May pag-asa pa. 9 seconds, pag hindi pa rin pumasok yan, o kahit na pumasok, may pag-asa pa. 9 seconds, 5 point lead ng Black. Walang time out. Tira agad ng press. Tira agad ng press. Yan. Pasok. Hindi. Sorry na lang. At natapos ang tanong. 67-62. 5 points ang laman ng Black. Lumamang ang white sa bandang third quarter pero inabot ng Black. Nagpasalamat ang coach ng Black sa table. Nagpasalamat sa referee. Congratulations everybody.